guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Sheila and I like to post nail makeup videos here on this channel. Getting right into today's video, I am using Notpolish products today along with the Notpolish Monomer. It's my first time using their products, so I'm excited to be doing this little tutorial for you today. I follow Notpolish Style on Instagram and she is 100% my inspiration for this set today. She is incredible. She does amazing art. And if you don't know who she is, you should really go check her out. I will link her channel down below. So for this first color, I'm using the color All Nighter. And so far what I've noticed with this product is that it's very smooth. And I also follow V Nailed It, and she uses Notpolish products all of the time and really suggested using their monomer with their products as it's the best way to use them. And I really did notice that they were a lot smoother and a little more butterier than I guess some of the other products that I've used or been practicing with. So far I really like this and I really can't wait to start using a little bit more and getting a lot more creative when it comes to these nail sets. For my index finger and my pinky, I'm going to be doing a French nail design. So in my cuticle, I'm going to be using the purple, the all-nighter color, and then in the tip, I'm going to be using some glitters. Once I lay down this purple though, I let it dry and then I do take a file to just kind of sharpen and round out the edges. So it's a lot straighter and it looks a lot nicer when the glitters are in. For the glitters, I'm using a company that I found on Instagram called Kandykrylix. I've used them a few times before now on my channel, and I will link all the products down below. The colors or the glitters that I'm using are Lemonade, Peach Bellini, Haunted, and then Blueberry Cobbler. I use these for my whole set. On my middle and ring finger, I'm going to be doing a half and half nail, so half is going to be the purple, and then the other half is going to be the glitters. I'm pretty new to acrylic. I started with polygel, and every time I apply acrylic, I just completely forget about everything that I've watched and learned so far from other people. And I just start applying acrylic like I'm putting on a builder gel. Moving my brush around, let it level itself out. I don't know. Practice makes progress, right? So just keep on trying, don't give up, and you'll get there. For my thumb, I'm going to be doing a side French nail design. Then I'm going to go through and cap the glitters with clear. And then I'm going to cap the whole nail with clear before filing, just so I don't mess up any of the glitters or lose any of them during the filing process. I did order some Notpolish clear acrylic. I haven't got it yet though. So I'm using my Young Nails Core Clear for all of my capping. This is how we are looking after they have been filed, shaped, and buffed. Now I'm going to go in, add some bling and a couple of nail stickers. I got these stickers from a polygel kit that I have from Makartt, and using my favorite Makartt Rhinestone Gel glue, I'm going to be using that to hold on my rhinestones. I want to do half matte, half shiny, so using Madam Glam products for that. Velvet matte top coat on the right side or on the purple side, and then I'm going to be using the Madam Glam no white top coat on the shiny side. If you are enjoying this video, if you could give it a thumbs up so it can reach more people, I'd be so appreciative of that. I just hit 50 subscribers over the weekend, and I am just beyond excited, you guys, to be here on this YouTube journey. I really do enjoy making content like this, and just having 50 people that are interested in what I post on here is just exciting. So thank you so much. If you are new here, welcome, and I hope to continue to grow and create better and better videos for you guys. Going in with my Young Nails Rose Cuticle Oil. This is the finished look. I am so happy with how these turned out. Like, I just love everything about them, you guys. The glitters, the purple, all of it. It might be a little different, but I am so in love. Let me know your thoughts down below, what you think of this set. Thank you so much for joining me today. And again, if you are new here, welcome. I am so appreciative of you, and I really hope to see you guys in my next one. See ya!